Are you looking for the best carry-on and check luggage? Top 5 review? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best carry-on and check luggage. Top 5 review on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Amazon Basics 30-inch Hardside large check luggage. This rolling suitcase is designed with the frequent traveler in mind. Crafted from a durable ABS hardshell, it offers a scratch-resistant finish and reliable strength to withstand the demands of your journeys. The suitcase features effortless mobility, with smooth rolling wheels, a telescoping handle, and a convenient short handle for easy transportation through airports and beyond. To accommodate your packing needs, the suitcase offers an expandable capacity, providing you with additional space as required. The interior is thoughtfully organized, with a divider and multiple zipper pockets, helping you stay organized and keep your essentials in order during your trip. Number 2. Samsonite Free Form 23-inch Hardside carry-on luggage. The Samsonite Free Form carry-on luggage is a meticulously engineered suitcase designed to optimize the modern traveler's journey. Crafted with precision, this carry-on luggage with wheels epitomizes sophistication and functionality, catering to those seeking effortless travel experiences. A 21-inch spacious interior makes it convenient and practical for packing. At the same time, it is compliant with most carry-on size restrictions for international and domestic travel. With exterior dimensions of 21.25 inch by 15.25 inch by 10.0 inch, including the wheels, this carry-on luggage is airline approved for cabin use. Our hard case suitcase with wheels facilitates fluid movement through bustling concourses and urban environments thanks to 4 multi-directional oversized dual spinner wheels. The re-engineered lightweight construction further enhances effortless mobility. Number 3. Coolife Luggage 3-piece set suitcase spinner hardshell. Upgrade your travel experience with the Coolife 3-piece luggage set, designed to combine durability, mobility, and style. This sleek hardshell luggage set includes 3 perfectly sized suitcases, 20-inch, 24, and 28, to cover all your travel needs, from weekend getaways to long international trips. Durable hardshell design, made from lightweight yet tough ABS or PC plus ABS materials that protect your belongings and withstand the rigors of modern travel. 360-degree spinner wheels. Smooth, multi-directional wheels ensure effortless maneuverability through airports, train stations, and city streets. TSA-approved lock. Built-in combination lock keeps your items safe and secure while allowing easy access for TSA inspections. Telescoping handle. Adjustable aluminum handle offers a comfortable grip and locks firmly in place at multiple heights. Spacious interior. Fully lined with zippered mesh compartments, elastic cross straps, and interior organizers for smart packing and wrinkle-free travel. Nestable storage. All pieces fit inside each other for compact storage when not in use. Sleek and stylish. Available in a wide range of colors to match your personality and make your luggage easy to spot. Number 4. Level 8 rolling carry-on luggage. Lightweight yet hard shell. This carry-on suitcase was made of 3-layer polycarbonate hardshell, high strength and sturdy, that provides elasticity and resiliency. Built-in TSA code lock with smooth zipper. TSA zipper lock for security during international travel. Meets most domestic and international airlines regulations, and equipped with smooth zippers for easy access to your item's spacious packing interior. Split case designed with 2 roomy, fully lined compartments. Zipper mesh pocket can make items neatly organized. Overall dimension: 21.5 inches by 14.5 inches by 9.2 inches, including wheels and handles. Weight: 7.7 pounds. Packing capacity: 40L. Perfect for 1 to 4 days trips. 2-year warranty. Level 8 products are tested to ensure that the travel products meet stringent standards. If a problem occurs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Number 5. Briggs and Riley Domestic 22-inch carry on expandable spinner luggage. Domestic carry-on luggage, measuring 22-inch by 14-inch x9 to 11-inch. This packing system expands for extra packing space, then compresses back to its original size to easily fit most U.S. overhead bins. 360 spinner wheels. Move smoothly in any direction with 4 shock-absorbing spinner wheels that provide a quiet, fluid glide through airports, train stations, and city streets. Secure organization. Quickly access items like jackets, books, and tablets with a use-it front compartment featuring a wide opening. A discreet hideaway ID tag keeps personal details secure. Thoughtful details. Our Power Pocket conveniently stores battery packs and cell phones for charging on the go. Multiple grab handles make it easy to store in overhead bins. Travel with confidence. Crafted for long-term use, Briggs and Riley bags are designed with high-grade materials and come with lifetime repair service for damage from normal use.